If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches or loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends Twitter page or website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. Go to your game platform Origin, Steam, or console and check for any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache. For PC users, clear the cache by navigating to the game installation folder and deleting the cache files. For console users, you can clear the cache by restarting the console or performing a hard reset. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue and enjoy playing Apex Legends again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.